Today, we're delving into the realm of personal finance by comparing two powerful budgeting tools, Simplifi and Monarch Money. These platforms are crafted to empower users in managing their finances efficiently, tracking expenses, and achieving financial freedom. Join us as we explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Simplifi features include
intuitive budgeting. Quick and Simplifi offers easy-to-use budgeting tools that allow users to set up and track their budgets effortlessly. With customizable categories and spending insights, users can gain a clear understanding of their financial habits. Expense tracking. Users can effortlessly track their expenses by linking their bank accounts and credit cards to Quick and Simplifi. The platform automatically categorizes transactions, making it easier to monitor spending and identify areas for improvement. Bill management. Quick and Simplifi helps users stay organized by tracking bills and due dates. Set up reminders and receive notifications to ensure you never miss a payment again. Savings goals. Plan for the future with Quick and Simplifi's saving goals and features. Set targets for various financial goals such as saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, and track your progress over time.
Monarch Money features include cash flow-based budgeting. Monarch Money adopts a cash flow-based budgeting approach, allowing users to allocate funds to different categories and monitor their spending. Customizable budget goals. Users can set personalized budgeting goals and monitor their progress towards financial milestones such as debt repayment or saving for a vacation. Expense tracking. Monarch Money offers detailed expense tracking features, including categorization and visualization tools to help users comprehend their spending habits. Bill negotiation. Monarch Money provides bill negotiation services to help users lower their monthly bills and save money on essential services. Simplifi offers subscription plans starting at $4.99 per month, offering access to all features with no hidden fees. Conversely, Monarch Money operates on a subscription basis starting at $6.99 per month for its basic plan, with additional features available at higher priced tiers. Simplifi offers a sleek and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate through their financial data and stay organized. On the other hand, Monarch Money provides a comprehensive cash flow-based budgeting experience, ideal for users seeking a structured approach in managing their finances. Simplifi's pros include its intuitive interface and affordable pricing plans, while its cons may include its limited budgeting customization options compared to Monarch Money. On the other hand, Monarch Money's pros include its cash flow-based budgeting system and bill negotiation services, while cons include its potentially steeper learning curve and higher subscription fees. Alternative budgeting tools to consider include Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard, each offering unique features and pricing structures tailored to different user preferences and financial needs. Choosing between Simplifi and Monarch Money depends on your individual financial goals, preferences, and budget. If you prioritize affordability and user-friendly design, then Simplifi may be the ideal choice for you. However, if you prefer a comprehensive cash flow-based budgeting experience with advanced features like bill negotiation, Monarch Money could be the perfect fit. Sign up for your preferred platform through the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and financial tips. Thank you for watching.